So, me and Tug replaced the roof yesterday and I've just washed it. So, yeah, not bad, very nice. I've just given it, one step at a time. So, first of all I washed it with nothing more posh than fairy liquid on a broom, on a soft washing broom. So then I jet washed it. So jet wash, yeah. And I'm leaving it out in the sun now to dry. So here's the boot, because of course the first thing you look for is leaks. So the boot is nice and dry, and let's see if you can see. There's the motor, that's where we relocated it to. Nicely wedged, sitting in the corner, quite happy. Like I say, nice dry boot. Nice roof. All washed. All looking rather lovely. All fitting rather nicely. And looking nice. Does it want a little bit more of a wash over there, do we think? No, it's just drying. Just drying. So, no water on the inside. Nice fit. And let's see if we can... we had a roof race. Let's see here. Yeah, okay, there we go. So we had a roof race to see who was the quickest. Lovely jubbly. I'll put it back up again because it's still drying. I don't want it to dry sopping wet down there and rot. That would be silly, wouldn't it? Yes. So yeah. Fantastic. Very happy.